Today, we're diving into Clipdrop, an AI image editing tool that promises to transform how you work with images. But does it really deliver, or is it just another flashy app? Let's find out what it's really like to use. Clipdrop is designed to make image editing seamless and intuitive, targeting both casual users and professionals. At its core, it offers a range of features like background removal, image enhancement, and object capturing directly from your surroundings. You can easily snap a photo with your phone and drop it into your projects, which is pretty neat. The user interface feels clean and straightforward, making it accessible for those who may not have extensive editing experience. However, I found some of the advanced features a bit tricky to navigate at first. For instance, the AI-powered enhancements can be hit or miss depending on the image quality. What stands out immediately is the real-time collaboration feature, allowing multiple users to work on a project simultaneously. But I did notice a lack of detailed tutorials for new users, which could leave some feeling a bit lost at the start. Overall, while it's functional, there are areas where clarity is lacking. So let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Clipdrop's ability to quickly remove backgrounds and enhance images is impressive, saving time for users who need quick edits. The collaboration feature is also a big plus, especially for teams working remotely. However, there are some frustrations. The AI can struggle with complex backgrounds, leading to inconsistent results. Plus, the pricing model might raise eyebrows. It feels a bit steep for what you get, particularly if you're just a casual user. Some users might also find it lacking in more advanced editing tools, which could be a deal breaker for professional editors. Overall, while Clipdrop has its strengths, it may not suit everyone's needs. In summary, Clipdrop is worth considering if you need quick, easy image edits and collaboration capabilities. However, if you're a professional looking for advanced features, you might want to explore other options. It's a solid tool, but make sure it aligns with your specific needs before diving in.